this is what you're going to do to join our class on Quizlet. If you don't already have an account, you're going to have to hit sign up. If you do, hit login. If you're not sure, just hit sign up, continue with Google, and then you're going to select your school account. And then it's going to ask you your birthday. If you're under a certain age, it asks you for your parents' email address. So let's see, I'll put in 2010. Yeah, right here, it's going to ask for your parents' email address. If your parents don't have an email address and you have a personal email address, you can definitely put that here. And if you can't find an email address to put in there, just let me know. You can use one of my email addresses, or I can get you an email address. And then it's going to ask you to create a username. Once you have your username created, you're going to hit sign up. For your username, make sure it has your real name in it so that I know who you are. Don't make up a random username because I won't know who you are. And then you're going to hit sign up. When you hit sign up, if you already have an account, it should tell you. And if you don't already have an account, then that's your username and you're good to go. So now, when you join our class, so once you have your account set up, you can join our class. You'll have a link that I'll give you. You click, and when you click it, you should get a blue button that says join this class. There we go, right here. You'll have a blue button that says join this class. So all you have to do is hit join class, and then you'll know you joined the class because over here on the left side where it says classes, you'll see the name of your class right here. And then once you're a member of your class, I can see your progress and everything, and you won't have to do anything to submit your vocabulary homework. All you have to do is make sure that you're always signed in with your school email address right here in the upper right corner, and make sure that I know what your username is. Try to put your name in your username so I know who you are. And that's it.